thank you for agreeing to participate in this interview. My name is Rica May Alvarez Diaz, and I'm conducting this interview as a part of a project to understand the experiences of learning English as a second language. Your insights will help us better understand the factors that influence language learning. I want to ensure you that your responses will be kept confidential and used for academic purposes only. Before we begin, please confirm that you are comfortable with being recorded either by video or audio for this project.
Hello, Rika. Yes, I'm comfortable with your recording. I'm Sherwin. I've been learning English for 7 years and I'm ready to start.
Great! To start, could you please tell me a bit about yourself and your background with the learning English?
I started learning English because I wanted to travel and it's necessary for my job.
First, can you describe a specific situation where you felt particularly confident while speaking English? What elements contributed to the feeling?
I felt confident when I gave presentation at work. I prepared thoroughly and my colleague were supportive, knowing I was helping the team made me feel.
Second, have you ever felt that your cultural background influences how you were perceived by native English speakers? If so, how did that affect your motivation to learn?
Sometimes I feel like people make assumptions about my intelligence based on my accents, and it motivates me to speak more clearly and prove them wrong.
In what ways do you believe your attitude towards English speaking cultures has influenced your language learning journey?
I love American movies and TV shows, so I'm very motivated to understand the language and culture better. It makes learning.
Describe a time when you felt frustrated or discouraged while learning English. What strategies did you use to overcome those feelings?
I felt discouraged when I couldn't understand a conversation at party. I started watching more English TV with subtitle and practice with a language partner.
For the fifth question, how do you perceive the role of motivation in your English learning process? Can you give an example of what your motivation was, particularly high or low?
Motivation is when I planned a trip to the US. My motivation was very high and now I'm back. It's harder to stay focused. So I felt small goal to keep going.
For sixth question, what kind of learning environment makes you feel more comfortable and supported in your English studies?
I prepare relaxed information settings when I make mistakes without feeling judged. I support the teachers and friends, classmates makes a big difference.
How do you handle making mistakes when speaking English? Does it affect your willingness to participate in conversations?
I used to be afraid of making mistakes, but now I see them as learning opportunities. I try to correct myself and ask for help when needed. It doesn't stop me from speaking.
Last question. Can you share an experience where you felt a strong connection with the English language or culture? How did this connection impact your desire to improve your English skills?
I I volunteered an international event and connected with people from all over the world. It makes me realize how important English is for a global communication, and I became more determined to improve.
Thank you so much for your time, Sherwin. Reflecting on your English learning journey has been a wonderful experience. I appreciated the opportunity to share your challenges, success, and your growth. I hope your story inspires others to pursue language learning with passion and perseverance. Thank you again for your insightful questions and considerations.
These are my analyses about English learning. For the key motivation, it's about career advancement, personal enrichment, and integration. In the common challenges, fear of mistakes, lack of confidence, and limited practices, and outdated teaching. Effective strategies are immersion, active participation, supportive community, communication focus, and technology use. Evolving attitude, real-world English, embracing imperfection, and personalized learning. For my reflection, success hinge on motivation, effective strategies, and a supportive environment. Focus on empowering learners.